God Motivate hitting you again, give you some free game. Hey, if you're looking for your first property, whether you're going to move into it or it's going to be your first rental, try considering looking into a burnt property. Yeah, that's going to be a property with fire damage. Okay, yes, a lot of people say it's a headache, but sometimes it can be worth the headache. Sometimes you can get, let's say, $250,000 property in the HOA area for maybe $50,000 when only one room was burnt upstairs, something like that. Make sure that everything matches up. Make sure that it's worth it. Make sure you're getting that seller to pay for closing costs or the percentage that he's allowed to pay in your state. Different states vary, but try going to your local fire department and asking for a list of fire damaged properties, and they will give it to you. They have to. And you can start by making an offer. Try to make an offer before it even hits the market. Hope you like the message. Yeah.